everyone. My name is Ravi. Today we are gathering here Thursday because of we are talking about health service in villages. Here, health service is nothing but taking care of body and mind to stay healthy and strong. But before I am going to this topic, I would like to thank you so much, sir, and my team members also for having me here for this grateful opportunity to talk about your business. We done PSC project based on the health project with my team members, Natya, Nisha, and Krishna, Cheru, Mr. Cheru, Anilai, and Joseph. Here the introduction is introduction to health service in villages. This presentations will shows that the health programs available to healthy villages community, from basic care to care for mother and child. And second one is access to primary care. First one is doctor clinic, mobile outreach, and telemedicine. First one is walking clinic. The village has a small clinic, opens 5 days a week, that provides medical care and first aid. And second one is mobile outreach. Mobile outreach is a mobile health team visits the village mobile health community visits the village that provides clinics to check-ups and treat patients. That telemedicine. Here is the so many people are talk to doctors on the phone calls and video calls. When the clinic is not having. And the rest of the topic will be by
community and outreach programs. Programs really public awareness program, health importance of reach out to health education, screening campaigns, immunization life, home clinics. Health education అనేది మన కరికులంలో హెల్త్ ఆఫ్ ఇంపార్టెన్స్ యాడ్ చేయాలి, సిలబస్ యాడ్ చేయాలి. అలాగే మిడ్ డే మీల్స్లో ఈ న్యూట్రిషన్ ఫుడ్ అనేది యాడ్ చేయాలి. ఇమ్యునైజేషన్ డ్రైవ్స్ అనేది ఏంటంటే 18+ and 18 వాళ్ళకి వ్యాక్సినేషన్